the Canyon Cooler 35 Quart. No other cooler has as much insulation or thickness for its molding. If you're looking for something that's truly rugged, the Canyon Cooler is your best bet. Canyon brands offer great coolers for camping or wilderness activities where you need coolers that are rugged enough to withstand the wildlife. But because of its thickness and insulation, many desert campers enjoy it as well. The Canyon Cooler's body thickness is about 2.75 inches, while the lid has a 3-inch thickness to help with ice retention. This thickness means a lot more insulation than other coolers. Where other coolers regularly see about 3 days of ice retention, the Canyon Ice Chest can handle up to 8 days. Unfortunately, the handles on the rope are plastic. Finally, the best selling point on the Canyon Cooler is probably its lifetime warranty. This warranty covers typical wear and tear as the coolers rely on manufacturer's design to withstand all manner of use.